Welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. I'm going to be showing you how you can make a mist that's soothing and hydrating for both your hair and your scalp. If you're someone that deals with dry scalp, you are going to find this mist very soothing and hydrating, and you can use this to refresh your hair, your protective styles, and it's made with simple, effective ingredients. So I'm going to show you my process for making this. So let's go on and get started. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther. I make DIY hair and skincare videos. I also sell my products online, as well as teaching formulating classes. I also have ebooks. Everything I mentioned will be linked in the description box. I will have the formula at the end of this video, and it's going to be in percentages as well as grams, and I will also link my calculator that I use in case you want to make a different batch size than I've made. I'm weighing out my ingredients, starting out with vegetable glycerin. This is a humectant, so it's going to help attract moisture to your hair. And I'm using it to help mix in my preservative. I'm using Tristat Eco. This is a preservative that's broad spectrum, but it's not very water soluble. So I like to add it inside the glycerin, so that way it can incorporate better into the formula. After mixing, I'm going to add in some distilled water. I'm going to be using some lavender hydrosol. So this is really soothing for your scalp. It also helps to hydrate your hair. Lavender is known to be anti-inflammatory, so it's also known for helping to promote hair growth. I'm using some aloe vera extract. So aloe vera is very soothing and moisturizing for your hair. It's packed with a lot of vitamins, fatty acids, amino acids. If you don't have this aloe vera liquid, you can use cosmetic grade aloe vera gel or cosmetic grade aloe vera juice. I'm adding in some hydrolyzed baobab protein. So this is going to help strengthen and condition your hair, so it's able to deeply nourish your hair. But if you don't have this, there are other hydrolyzed proteins you can get. It depends on the supplier. There's hydrolyzed wheat protein, quinoa, hemp protein, oats. So just use what you have available. I added in some spinach extract. This is completely optional. Spinach extract has a lot of vitamins like vitamin C, E, A, K. It's basically packed with a lot of antioxidants that help to promote hair health. It helps to rejuvenate your hair, but it is an optional ingredient. If you cannot get this extract, you can use any other available extract that you have. So I'm just going to mix for a few minutes, and I'm also going to use my mini whisk. I like to do this for a few minutes just to ensure that the preservative has been thoroughly mixed into this formula. So just take your time to do this, and after which I'm going to check the pH. I just took out a small amount of my mixture, and then I used my digital pH meter to check the pH of this mist, and the pH fell naturally at 4.72. I did not need to make any other adjustments. The pH of our hair is between 4.5 to 5.5, so I was okay with this pH. So it's pretty much ready, this hair and scalp mist. And feel free to make changes and substitutions to make it work for you. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the formula right here. And all that's left is to package up this mist. And I'm going to answer this question here as well, because I've gotten asked a lot of times about shelf life. The shelf life of your products is going to vary from person to person. because your shelf life is going to be calculated based on your individual ingredients, the expiration dates of your individual ingredients. So for me, the shortest shelf life ingredient that I have is the hydrolyzed baobab protein. So that's going to help me determine how to calculate this. I'm going to leave my video showing how to calculate the shelf life of your products, because it is going to vary. So you are going to calculate your shelf life based on the shortest expiration date of your ingredient. So I hope this helps, because I've gotten this question recently on many videos. And the soothing hair and scalp mist is ready. This is a leave-in mist. You can use this on your natural hair. You can use this for your protective styles. So for me, I have my hair braided right now, so my hair has been freshly washed. So all I do, I just use the mist. I just mist all over my hair, the braided hair. I mist all over my scalp. This is just a very lovely mist to use to provide that extra hydration. If you wear protective styles, you know how your hair sometimes can dry out or feel dry. So this is a good way to hydrate your hair. If you're in a protective style, or if you wear your natural hair maybe in twists or even twists out, this is a good option to try out, and it does provide that hydration to your scalp if you have dry scalp. So I just mist all over my hair. Like I said, I just massage that through, and when I spray my scalp, I also massage on my scalp. And once you're done, you can follow up with a hair moisturizer, a hair oil, or a hair butter to seal all that moisture. But I hope you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed my process. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Please don't forget to like this video. If you've not yet subscribed, please go on and hit the subscribe button, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.